Hello friends, good evening. So in this video we'll discuss about important Gann cycles, which is basically based on an octave. Basically Gann used to follow a cycle of 45 days, both on trading and calendar days. So if you take any major high and from there you have to calculate 45 bars. So you go here in the date range, come here, and from there if you calculate 45 bars, you might get some important turning points in the market. See, a 45th bar after this, we had a big rally. After 45th, you can go for the 90th bar. Now, this is a very cumbersome process. 87, 88, 89, 90. See, after that next bar, we made a bottom, and from there a good rally. So you can apply this on any time frame. Even if you remember the COVID top, which happened in Nifty, which was on 20th January 2020. If I just go here 2020 so this was the top of the market, and from here also, if you calculate 45 bars, you might see the major COVID bottom also. So this is the 45th bar, right? So Gann used to follow this technique a lot, and it can be applied on any time frame, any instrument, and you will see some important turning points in the market. Now, what we have done is we have automated. Now, this is just one swing low we have taken. After that, you can have various swing size and swing lows. So basically, we have our own tool which does all this work. So you want any month of your choice. Let's take 1st March to 31st March, and let's click on scan red tabs only. So basically, this sheet we have developed Nifty and Bank Nifty, and you can develop it for stocks also, and you will eventually get some important turning points into the market, important turning dates. Now here we have made our own rules. So let me just quickly go and just search for Nifty. So Nifty, if you see here, 3rd, 5th, 9th, 12th it was twice. So whenever a date is coming twice, basically it is coming from two cycles, one on 27th October and 23rd August. So it means that this will be a very important trend change date. Whenever a cycle or a date comes from two time cycles, it will be very important. Let's quickly go and check what happened on 12th March 2020. So I'll just do here 03 and 12. 12th March 2020, what has happened? Let's quickly go and check. I think 12th was a holiday. Yeah, 12th was a top of the market. And if you remember on 13th March, we opened 10% gap down only. The close on this day was 9490, and first 10 minutes only, we Nifty made a, it was lower circuited. So it was down 10%. So you get these important dates, and let's take any example of, let's suppose, September of 2022. So this program is very helpful in finding important dates for any instrument of your choice, provided you put in some data. And if I click on scan red tabs only, it will give me those important dates for this month. And in this, my main focus is on the dates which are coming more than twice. These are for important for positional trading, and if you want to do intraday trading, then you can take all these single dates. So the was second, all these dates can be volatile, but important double date is coming on 16. Now, mind you, it's not like that it's a holy grail. Every time you'll get a turning point. There will be whipsaws, and we need to get comfortable with it. So let's quickly go and check what happened on 16 September 2022. So I'll go here. I'll just put here 09 and 16th. 16 September 2022 was this date. And again, if you have been following me from long, I generally suggest I am more of a reactive kind of trader. So I generally don't do anything on this day. I just mark the lines because if these are important dates, price has to break the high and low. It broke the high, but it didn't touch it. The price should touch this high and broke. So again, it went down, didn't close it. Next day, it broke the low, and from there we had a very nice fall, right? So this is a very simple technique. I mean, we have to keep our strategies, our trading system, our execution. To improve our execution, the strategy should be simple, and you should have minimum data points so that you don't have to think a lot while you are executing the trade. So 16th, you have seen we got some good turning points. After that, the double date is coming on 21st. Right, this we have taken from these two major, lows. So 29th September 2022, sorry, 21st September 2022, 23, 22, 21. Right, so this was 21, and it was the major top if you can see here, and from there we can capture. So this was our date. We didn't get any date. Next was 21st, and from there you see the market was seen a very good fall. So now very simple technique. Now what is the logic? I've already told you 45 days you can do it manually, and but this is an automated program. Now let me quickly show you the dates which are important for me for swing trading for December month. So first 12 to this thing I do is only I'm focusing mostly on Nifty and Bank Nifty because of all the research analysts regulations and all that. So let's see what are the important dates where we can see some important turning points for 31st September. First let me get you for Nifty, and if you can see here, double date first was on 1st December. Let's quickly go and check what happened on 1st December 2022. And as you can see here, this is for we have taken for Nifty here. Let me just reconfirm. Yeah, Nifty. So let's quickly go and check what happened on Nifty on 1st December 2022. It was exactly a good top there. Okay, so this was 1st December, and from there the market has been falling. Now, what are the next date? 2 5th, we are looking 8th. So 8th was, I think, day before yesterday. Uh, this was 8th. Nothing happened. Then it opened gap up, it broke the low, and from there we had a very decent fall. You can even use your, how would I have traded this date is, I generally use this intraday ratio calculator. Go here, put the high of 8th, which was 18,625, and low is 18,536. 18,625, 18,536. Click OK. The lines will be drawn. Go to a 5-minute start and see where the trade got initiated. Yeah. So buy was here. It opened gap up, didn't sustain above it. Low was here, and from there at least it has done almost two targets. Probably first target is done here, second is done here. So this is how you can use this simple technique. You have a clear-cut plan, entry, exit, stop loss, and everything. After 8, the next turning point is coming on 15th, which is something you have to 15th and 16th. So I expect markets, if two dates are coming, then we'll definitely focus on the last date, which is 16th. I think 15th we will react to the the Fed policy. So 16th is something you can start making your swing trades, and these levels will be valid all the way till 23rd. So these are the important dates for trend change for Nifty based on Gann dynamic cycle. And now let's quickly go and check Bank Nifty also. So Bank Nifty, see, first didn't come in Bank Nifty. So the cycles are not same, they are different. So important turning point for Bank Nifty for swing trading. I'm looking 16th again. See here, this is how the cycles meet together. So 16th is again coming for Bank Nifty. After 16 we have 22nd, and that's about it. 16 and 22nd for Bank Nifty. So that's a simple way to calculate these dates, and a very simple technique. Again, like I told you, you can go to TradingView, and you can just calculate 45 and 72 bars, and based on that you can do it. And this system is just we have automated it to get the double date. So this is the 45th bar, as you can see here. This was a very nice example. This was also a kind of top, and from there the market started falling. So that's about it. Practice this on TradingView, and yeah, that's about it. Stay disciplined. Best wishes. Thank you.